Hello and welcome to Microsoft Word Intermediate to Advanced level. This is Sam, your instructor of this course. Hope you already enjoyed the beginner course. However, unlike the title, it was covered many useful features there. In this course, we will diving deep into many tools and features such as selection, font and paragraph, graphics, tables, layout, references, and advanced find and replace. And of course, we're covering many features of document management. Also, you will learn macros and VBA programming. As I know, most students of this course have no experience with programming, so I decided to break the traditional programming learning path and make understanding the easier and at the same time enjoyable method. By passing this course, not only you will be an expert in Microsoft Word, but also you could understand programming fundamentals and even apply this knowledge to any other applications that support VBA, such as Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, and even AutoCAD. So join me in this course and enjoy your skill improvements. See you in the class.